So here we are. Belltunga is finally complete. It has been our biggest project at Craig Linke Bespoke Building. It seems like only yesterday Craig and I were standing in the entrance behind me, ripping the wallpaper off the wall, starting demolition. It's really great to see now, 2.5 years later, it's finished, it's beautiful, it's big, it's absolutely stunning.
Dan and Catherine, they were looking for their forever home, something that was large, something they could make their own. We had a look at a few properties in this area until they came across Belltunga.
I guess when we were initially looking at potential projects to undertake, I found Craig's website online, knew that he was local to us, which was great. And look, I think the approach that was spoken about by previous clients in their online videos was really insightful, gave me a lot of comfort in knowing that they were the kind of builders that we might want to work with. Just really a great cultural fit from day one. Craig gave us, I guess, a level of comfort that he understood what he was doing with old heritage properties. He fell in love with Belltunga. He's really shared our vision and really, I guess, been emotionally involved in the journey as much as we have, which I guess you can't ask for much more from your builder.
It's a place for people to gather now. I think that's one of the special things. And I think this house has a really rich history of gatherings. You know, there's a lot of newspaper articles from the 1920s, the 1930s, 1940s about parties that were held here. And I feel like with that outdoor entertainment area, we can really continue that tradition long into the future.
Yeah, I think everything we've done here has been done to perfection, and that is a credit to Josh, the way he led the project here. All the way from laying the new subfloor framing, which was millimetre perfect, to hanging pieces of art, which was brought in from all over the world, and everything in between. It was all done with such care and a flawless level of detail.
So what makes this home so special to me is the way it's been updated for modern living, yet we've managed to retain the original character features of the house.
Being the age of the home, we had to protect and restore. We retained the old chandelier.
So seeing that hoisted up, using the winch, turning the lights on for the first time, it was a wow moment.
Some of the highlights for us are probably the bathroom, the kids' bathroom in particular. That bathtub brings them so much joy.
I love the big, long, open kitchen overlooking the pool, the steel doors to the outdoor area.
It's just a pleasure to be working in that kitchen, in that space. The layout, you know, the different zones. It's a bit unusual to have a cooking end, an entertaining end, and a cleaning sort of area, but it has worked out absolutely amazingly.
So our interior design team has worked closely with Catherine for the last 8 to 10 months, selecting and sourcing hundreds of pieces brought in from all over the world, artwork, lamps, rugs, tables, you name it, and it's great to see how seamless it flows from one room to the other.
It's a true reflection of Dan and Catherine, their taste, who they are as people and as a family, and the end result is it actually feels like a home. You feel comfortable in here, you feel welcome. It's just, yeah, it's stunning.
Sitting here now, knowing how much work has gone into this project, I couldn't be happier for how the project has turned out, and also for this wonderful family who's now going to be able to enjoy living here and making lots of memories for years to come.
From our first walkthrough with Craig, starting the discussion, then the brainstorming, I think what it allowed us to do is not just be a client and builder, but a team actually. I think they shared our vision and allowed this place to become exactly what we wanted it to be, what we'd envisioned. It's surpassed our expectations in a huge way.